13.6 first question see here. The circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 meters. Circumference of the base of the cylinder means circle will be the circumference of the, so circumference of the circle is given here actually 132 centimeters and its height is 25 centimeters. How many liters of the water can it hold? It is asking here. So what is given here? Let us write here. So given height h is equals to 25 centimeters and circumference of the base of the cylinder. Circumference of the base of the cylinder and circumference of base of cylinder is equals to 132 centimeters. 132. So circumference of the base of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equals to 132 centimeters is given. Radius find. Radius, whatever you get, that is the radius of the base of the cylinder you are going to get. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 132. R is equals to 132 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. Or you can cancel here itself. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 20. 22 ones are 22, 3 are. So R is equals to 21 centimeters. So radius of the base is equals to, so that is nothing but radius of the base of the cylinder. So कभी भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ cylinder को radius नहीं होगा. Whenever you see terminology, whenever you use the terminology, cylinder, base of the cylinder, radius of base of cylinder बोलना. Cylinder को directly radius कभी बोलना नहीं. ये बात थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखो. Okay, so now here value of the cylinder you need to find. So what is value of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. So 22 by 7 into 21 into height is 25. 7 ones are 7 3s. So which is equals to, you multiply that. So when you multiply that 22, multiply कर सकते हैं and here how many liters of the water it can hold is the question. So you have to divide. It is going to get in meter cube. It is going to get in meter cube. Meter cube में आ जाएगा. So how many liters means 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 by 1000. अभी multiply मत. Liters में पूछ रहे हैं ना, ये पूरा multiply करने के बाद 1000 से divide करना easy है. Okay, but ये division थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा ना, otherwise. Okay, is liters because 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Okay, so 25 ones are 25 40s. So still more you can divide. 2 11s are 20s. Huh? Oh sorry, centimeters में किया है, तो ये centimeter cube होगा. 3 4 6 it is sorry. It is given in centimeters. So the value you are going to get it in centimeter cube. Let it sit. One. So हमको liters में चाहिए. How many liters of the water it can hold is the question. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So directly this you can write as a milliliters. Directly you can write it as a milliliters. 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. 3 4 liters. Or milliliters. So actually when you
liters is 0.001
milliliters. So centimeter, 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter.
So
liters में चाहिए तो 5000 करना है. सेम है. एक्चुअली हम लोग गलत किया. ये मीटर क्यूब कर लिया तो लीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करना तो इनटू करना था. सो डिवाइड ही करना है. एक्चुअली बात क्या है, मिलीलीटर्स में आ जाएगा. सो 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 divided by 1000 liters because 1000 liters means 1000 milliliters is equals to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000.
34.56 liters.
So we are going to get it 25 ones are 25, 40s are 2 11s are 2 20s are. So 11 into 33, 33 into 21, 21 into 33, 3 6 6 3 6 9 3. सही है ना? 693 by 693 by 20.
इसको सर वो सब पहले सब 21 फिर 5000 करके इजीली हो जाता
इतना बड़ा इंटू करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है मुझे मेरे हिसाब से. ओके व्हाटएवर इट मे बी.
25 into 21 करने के बाद 66 into 1 is
हाँ वो भी सही है, वो भी इजी है. इफ यू डिवाइड बाय द 1000 इज थोड़ा सा इजी.
हां सर
वो भी इजी है, ऐसे भी थोड़ा सा कर सकते हैं. बाय 2 करना इजी है ना, ये भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन दोनों सेम ही रहते हैं. कैसे भी कर लो. फाइनल आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट एज कितना है
34.56
34.56
liters
ना
5
2 3 4
3 4 6
हाँ
4.6
3 4 6 5 34.5 you are going to get 34.5 liters because इसको 2 से डिवाइड करना है ना. सी हियर कॉम्प्लिकेशन देखो, ये इसमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन में किधर भी गलत कर सकते हैं. ये कैंसिलेशन थोड़ा सा इजी हो गया एंड ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी. ओके प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, only that generally mistakes we are going to do it sometimes, so that you have to be very careful. Next second question is given that inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe. Bamboo बोलते हैं ना, cylindrical wooden pipe bamboo मान सकते हैं. Okay, pipe is 24 centimeters and its outer diameter is 28 centimeters. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeters. Length of the pipe can be considered as a height. Okay, find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the wood has a mass of 0.6 grams. So we are going to get it everything in a 1 centimeter cube बोला है, तो centimeter cube में value आ जाएगा into 0.6. you have to do it into 0.6. Can you do it? Decimals में आ जाएगा. And here what you have to do, the thing is that outer radius is inner radius is given.
दोनों करना है.
So दोनों करना है. So okay, I will explain to you this problem. Little bit different. Normal value में लेना. So what is given here? Inner radius. Inner radius कितना है? Small r consider कर लो. Inner radius is equals to diameter is given 24.
Inner radius 12.
Radius is equals to 24 by 2, which is equals to 12 centimeters. And outer diameter is given 28. So outer diameter is given. So outer radius, capital R is equals to 28 by 2, which is equals to 14 centimeters. And the length of the pipe is given to you, that you have to consider as a height. Length of the pipe you consider as a height, that is equals to कितना 35 centimeters is given. Therefore first you find out the volume of the wooden pipe. So volume of wooden pipe is equals to pi capital R square h, outer cylinder minus inner खाली होगा minus pi small r square h. So you can write it as a pi capital R square minus small r square into h. So pi value is 22 by 7 and capital R is 40 square minus 12 square into 35. 7 ones are 7 points. So 22 into a square minus b square apply कर लो. A plus b into a minus b. तो 26 into 2 into
1600.
So we are going to get some value here. This should be multiplied by 0.7, 0.6. This is centimeter cube you are doing. So multiplication only, then you can multiply. 22 into 26 कितना आएगा? ये तो 10 हो गया. 22 into 26 कितना आएगा? देखो 22 into 6 2s are 12, 2 to the 4, 52, it will be 52. 2, 7, 5. 5720 centimeter cube. 5720 centimeter cube. So now here it is asking you to find out the mass. Mass of the wooden pipe is equal to 5720 into 0.6. What is grams is given. So yeah, this also you are going to get into grams. Okay, multiply कर लो 0.6 बोलो और 0 हट जाएगा 572 से 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है 12 7 6 42 43 5 6 30 34 3432 grams 3432 grams. Okay. Okay, next, third question, see. A soft drink is available into two packs. One is tin can with the rectangular base of the length 5 centimeters and width 4 centimeters and having the height 15 centimeters. It's cuboid. And second one is a plastic cylindrical with the circular base of the diameter 7 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Which container has a greater capacity by how much? Just दोनों का वैल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड तीनों मल्टीप्लाई करना है and वैल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर pi r square h which is you are going to get more, that is, and by how much. It is very simple here, and in this I think so no decimals also you will get it, because 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 by 2 pi r square 7 by 2 7 7 will get cancelled. So इधर 4 होगा, उधर 22 है, decimals में नहीं आएगा. So even value of the cuboid also you are not going to get in decimals में नहीं आएगा. So problem simple है, this you do as a homework. Okay. So next, let us move to the fourth question. Fourth question is, if a lateral surface area of the cylinder, here it is given that lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeters square and height is 5 centimeters. So whatever the bigger one given, that you write lateral. Small quantities you write, this height is smaller one. So given height h is equals to 94.2 centi.
Each का.
Sorry, 5. ये तो 5 centimeters. Height is given by. Then find the radius of the base, and also given that lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. So that is equals to 94.2 centimeters square. So lateral surface area of the cylinder formula क्या है? 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h is equals to 94.2, and radius if you want 2 into 22 by 7 into radius you don't know, and height is 5 is equals to 94.2. Radius is equals to, if you want here, ये तो 10 होगा 94.2 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 10. उस 5 into 10 है ना, डायरेक्टली 1 by 10. So उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 11 से होगा 88 11 is 88. It is not
3.1 से करना है.
pi is given to you. Oh, pi is given to you 3.14. Sorry. So that the problem becomes easy. 3.14 into 10. So 31.4 into r is equals to 3 r plus 94.2 by 31.4. 3 is 31.4, 3 is 94.3. So r is equals to 3 centimeters. Easy आने के लिए pi value it is given to you 3.14 it is given to you. And asking you to find out the value. So volume of the cylinder, second question. So here first question, in the first part it is given to you. Second part, value of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. So pi here also 3.14. In both the cases 3.14 only you need to take into consideration. 3.14 into 3 square into 8 is equals to 5. Simplify karo, answer you are going to get in decimals. Okay? That you are going to get in centimeter. Simple question.
So here we find the 3.4
Okay. Next, fifth question. Fifth question is, it cost 2,200 rupees to paint the inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel of the 10 meters depth. Depth of the cylindrical vessel is nothing but height can be taken into consideration. And if the cost of the painting at the rate of rupees 20 rupees per meter square, find the inner curved surface area of the vessel.
Sir,
but actually problem is simple here.
Curved
But
surface
here
area
three
दिया
parts.
है।
Curved surface area नहीं दिया है.
2200 by 20 करना पड़ेगा।
Yes, that's all. So that I'll explain to you. Don't worry. So what are the given things here? Given height h is equals to 10 meters. And total cost of the painting is 2,200 at the rate of 20 rupees per meter square. Okay. Total cost of painting at the rate of total cost of painting. What is given here? Painting curved surface area है ना? Painting curved surface area at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. 20 rupees per meter square is equals to 2,200. So therefore, curved surface area of cylinder. This is first part asking you to find out. This is equals to total cost divided by cost per meter square. So these many meter squares we are going to get it. Okay, that is 22,000 divided by cost per meter square. 20 rupees cost.
2,200. Sir, 2,200.
So 110 meter square. 110 meter square you are getting. Second question is what is asking? Find the radius of the base. So here radius of the base you need to find. So therefore, given curved surface area we have found this. Therefore, 2 pi r h is equals to 110. And height is given to you. And 2 into 22 by 7 into radius into height is equals to 10. This is equals to 110. Okay. So 0 will get cancelled, 11 with the 11 to 7. What is left over? R is equals to 7 by
77 by
77.
7 by 4 सही है। हाँ सही है।
7 by 4 you are. 7 by 4 means 1.75 meters. Meters are centimeters. Yes, 1.75. 7 by 4 also you can keep it. 1.75 आया है ना?
वॉल्यूम निकालना है सब काम है।
हाँ You can keep it like as it is.
22 से 2 रहेगा तो 4 काट देंगे 22 से
7 by 4 meters as it is, you can keep it. And asking you to find out the capacity of the vessel. Value. Third one is next also continue. Value of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Pi value is 22/7. Okay, and r value is 7/4 into 7/4. H is equals to 10. So 7 will get cancelled. 11 2 1 2 5. वैसे भी इधर भी 4 आ रहा है. There is no other 77 into 5 by 4. 77 into 5 by 4. What is meter cube? Okay, you can simplify it. Okay. Next. Sixth question. The capacity of the closed cylindrical vessel of the height 1 meters. Capacity is given means it is given to you value. And how many square meters of the metal sheet would be needed to make it? So that is nothing but value is given to you and height is given to you. With the help of the value and height, you can find out value and height is given to you. You can find out the radius. Radius find out person.
So roll after
okay, whatever it may be. You can leave it as it is. Also decimals may express कर सकते हैं. That doesn't matter. So next here is how many square meters of the metal sheet would be needed. So it is a capacity of the closed cylindrical vessel. It is given to you closed cylindrical vessel. Closed means how much sheet means what you have to do. Curved surface area and as well as total means total surface area to be you need to find out here. Can you do it? कर सकते हैं ना? Seventh problem. 7th and 8th I will explain to you. See the 7th question. So 7th question is given to you. A lead pencil consists of a cylindrical cylinder of the wood with the solid pencil of the graphite filled in the interior. Pencil का interior में graphite होगा. If the diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeters. Diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeters and the diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. Okay, and the length of the pencil is 14 centimeters. Find the volume of the wood inside the
दोनों का निकालने का
wood and that of the graphite. दोनों निकालना.
दोनों का एक साथ प्लस करना पड़ेगा.
First one you have to do wood चाहिए. तो total it is given to you the pencil का diameter दे दिया. Pencil का diameter means including the what do you say graphite. Including the graphite it is given. So volume of the graphite first निकालो. So that easy है. Volume of the graphite. So volume of the wood if you want. Volume of the wood if you want. Volume of the total pencil minus volume of the graphite you have to find. उसमें ये भी इतना hard नहीं है, easy है. Can you do it? हाँ? Okay, बोल रहा हूँ next. Okay, so here it is given height is fixed, radius of the pencil is given, diameter of the pencil is given to you. So be careful here. So height is fixed. H is equals to small h also you can take care. H is equals to 14 centimeters. Radius of the pencil. So capital R consider करो, that is 7/2. Be careful.
सर millimeter
Yes,
centimeter
millimeters.
में convert करो
Yes, millimeters है. So we are going to get it as a centimeters में convert करना है. So 3.5 millimeters आएगा by 10 0.35. Actually when you divide it 3.5 millimeters centimeters में convert करना है तो by 10 करना है. So we are going to get
7 by
0.5
20 भी सर कर सकते हो
0.35.
सर जब वो वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे तो उसको भी काम आएगा पॉइंट पे
You can keep it like that also. It's not a problem. 7 by 2 as it is रखना है.
7 by 20 हाँ
Millimeters.
7 by 20 सेंटीमीटर
7 by 2 by 10.
हाँ वही 7 by 20
Okay, you can keep it like that also. 7 by 2 by 10. 7 by 20, which is equals to 7 by 20 meters, sorry, centimeters. This is radius. And volume of the graphite. Radius of the graphite first. Radius of the graphite. Radius of the graphite, small r is equals to 1 by 2 millimeters. 1 millimeter is a diameter is given here. 1 millimeter is a diameter. So which is equals to 1 by 20 centimeters. So first find out the volume of the graphite. Volume of the graphite is equals to pi r square, small r square h. इसको small r represent कर दिया. Here pi value is given to you to take the 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 and 1 by 20, 1 by 20 and h is equals to 14. 7 मतलब वैसा ही अगर 14 है ना height 7 cancel होगा. जरूर नहीं है actually. So what do you get here? 44 by 400. 4 मतलब 4. 11 by 100. What is this centimeter? Cube. 11 by 100. 0.11 centimeter cube. 0.11 centimeter cube. So next, what is given here? Graphite हो गया. Volume of the wood check. Volume of the wood if you want to find out, volume of the total pencil if you want you can find out, are directly pi capital R square minus pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h also you can do. Volume of the pencil also separately you can find out. Or volume of the pencil find out करने को from that volume of the graphite separate करो volume of the wood आ जाएगा. So volume of the ये pencil है ना, so volume of pencil find out करो.
सर डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं
हाँ डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. Value of
डायरेक्ट एक साथ माइनस कर देते हैं
value of the wood if you want pi capital R square minus small r square h. Pi capital R square small r square h. So pi diagonal 22 by 7 and here capital R is 7 by 20 whole square minus 1 by 20 whole square into h 14. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना. 7 by 20 plus 1 by 20 7 by 20 minus 1 by 20 into 14 ये 14 इधर भी कैंसिल कर दो. So we are going to get it as a 44 into 8 by 20 into 6 by 20 a plus b into a minus b formula use करो. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. ये
44
11 होगा. 11 into 48 by 100. 48 8 12 528 528 by 100.
नीचे अंदर तो रहेगा
5.8
5.28
सेंटीमीटर है ना. बस हो गया. Suppose question में वैल्यूम ऑफ द पेंसिल इज आस्किंग. को थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड करके वैल्यूम ऑफ द पेंसिल आस्किंग. आपको यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूम ऑफ द पेंसिल. ये जरूर है.
तो सब प्लस करना पड़ेगा उडो का ग्राफाइट का प्लेस
हाँ ये दोनों प्लस कर दो वैल्यूम ऑफ द पेंसिल आ जाएगा. लॉजिक यू नीड टू नो दिस. ओके. नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट a patient in a hospital is given a soup daily in a cylinder का. इसमें कुछ ना एक सिचुएशन दे दिया. क्या है? पेशेंट बोला है, हॉस्पिटल बोला है cylindrical ball of the diameter 7 centimeters and the ball is filled with the soup of the height up to 4 centimeters. How much soup can be prepared for the 250s? 250 into pi r square h करना है. So very simple है ये problem explain नहीं करूँगा because that's why I have explained to you this problem. Okay. So with this, that is point 6 is completed.